Hello guys, welcome to my Halo Mega Bloks base review. It's a work in progress, but so this here, you put a gun. It's to make guns overpowered, like one-shot kill, and that. Put the plasma pistol. This is the radio for contacting other Covenant. So the Covenant found this base left by the Unity and range. As I said, it's a work in progress. There'll be more stuff being on it, and I'm also gonna get more. What should I say? More figures like the ODST guys. That's all I have. So goodbye.